What's up, guys? Welcome back to another adventure with Alex and Johan. That's right, we have the bottle. Always doing dumb things. Anyways, today's mission, what we're trying to do is go to a random location, totally lying, it's just Grenada's beach, and look for a snapper, preferably a mutton snapper, one about maybe a pound and a half, and bring him home, clean him up, and just cook him, bake him. Scale flying out like bullets.
One eternity later.
Let me see what you've been eating. Please don't be something gross. Please don't be something gross. Please don't be something gross. What the frick is that? A squid! A squid!
Two squid.
Damn murder.
We see two little ones like this.
Show the camera properly. Open up the hand. Damn, that's not a greedy bud.
It's not a GT.
Guys, we finished the preparation. Now it's time to just chuck it in the oven and see it will come out. Oven, guy.
On the oven.
Take them out. That looks like some dry tree, Johan. Anyways, yeah, we finished. And in 2 seconds, he can magically appear in bowls. What's up, guys? If you made it this far into the video, give yourself a pat on the back. This part is the tastiest part of the mutton snapper. We really want to see how it will taste. So, honest opinion here, guys. Never know what's up here. Yeah, okay, you have the idea. But I need to before the camera started roll. Anyways, my take on it. The fin's still on it.
Sauce? Do you want some sauce, mate?
That's it.
11 out of 10. Best fish
You give it 11, 11, bro?
we ever caught? Yeah, best fish.
Yeah, solid
So far.
fish. I'll keep that 12. Just because I want to be had anyway.
Wow.
Anyways, that's it for the video, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, and
Like, subscribe, comment.
yeah,
And
don't
tell us if you like this type of videos.
comment if you know us. Yeah, say I know that guy in comments. Anyways, see y'all in the next video. Hopefully it'll be an epic adventure again. Bye.